What exactly is investing? Maybe you've heard the word thrown around, on the news, in conversations, or online, but it still feels a bit vague. Maybe it sounds complicated, risky, or like something only wealthy people do. If you've ever thought, I know I should be investing, but I don't know where to start, you're not alone. At its core, investing simply means using your money to try and grow it over time. Instead of keeping it all in a savings account, you're putting some of it into things that have the potential to increase in value, like company shares, property, or funds that bundle lots of investments together. Here's how it works in a basic way. Let's say you have some money you don't need right now. You choose to put it into an investment. Maybe it's a fund that tracks the stock market. That money is then used to buy small pieces of many companies. If those companies do well, the value of your investment goes up. If they don't, it might go down. Over time, the goal is that your money grows more than it would just sitting in a bank account. Investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about being smart with money you won't need for a while, usually 5 years or more, and giving it a chance to work for you. There are ups and downs along the way, but history shows that over time, investing tends to grow money more than just saving alone. So why does this matter? Because life gets expensive. We all want to feel more secure in the future, whether that's owning a home, helping your kids, or having enough for retirement. But saving alone often isn't enough, especially with rising prices and low interest rates. Investing gives your money more potential to grow, helping you build a stronger financial future without needing to earn more or drastically cut spending. Think of it like planting a tree. Saving is like putting your money in a pot on the windowsill. It's safe, but it won't grow much. Investing is like planting it in the ground. There's weather to deal with, and growth takes time. But if you're patient, you give your money space to grow into something much bigger. So what is investing? It's simply a way to grow your money over time by putting it into things that can increase in value, and it's something you can do even with small amounts to build a more secure future. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.